Of usually means multiplication. Now, percents, let's say you have 5%. As a decimal, that's 0.05. You took this decimal and you moved it 2 places to the left. Or 5% also means 5 over 100. Drop the percent sign and put it over 100. So in this problem, since I like fractions, I'm going to do 125 over 100 times 5 over 1. So 5 will go into 100 20 times. And 5 will go into 20 4 times. And 5 will go into 125 25 times. So you got 25 divided by 4. I don't know how I want to do that. I think I would do 4, we're going to 25 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24 with 1 over 4 left. So that's going to be 6.25. Hope that helps.